Peking duck traces its prestigious origins to the Ming Dynasty's imperial kitchens, where it was exclusively prepared for emperors and nobility. Historical records from the 15th century describe bronze ovens and elaborate preparation methods reserved for royal banquets. The dish symbolized wealth and power, using specially bred ducks from the Jade Spring region. This scene establishes how culinary excellence became a political tool in imperial China. During the Qing dynasty, Peking duck evolved into its modern form through Manchu-Han culinary fusion. Chefs perfected wood-fired roasting techniques and introduced honey glazing, creating the signature crispy skin. Imperial kitchens documented precise temperature controls and 72-hour preparation cycles. The dish became a diplomatic offering to Mongol allies, reflecting its role in multicultural governance. In 1864, the Quanjude restaurant democratized Peking duck by serving it to Beijing's public. Founded by Yang Quanren, it standardized the closed oven roasting, method still used today. Early 20th century menus reveal prices equivalent to a worker's weekly wage, making it a luxury. The restaurant's open kitchen theater pioneered culinary transparency in Chinese dining culture. Authentic Peking duck requires 48+ hours of preparation. Chefs master 3 sacred steps: air pumping to separate skin from meat, honey water basting, and hardwood roasting at 250 degrees Celsius. Quanjude's archives show each duck loses 30% weight during roasting, concentrating flavors. This meticulous process, unchanged for 150 years, yields just 108 slices per duck, a number considered auspicious. The duck carving ceremony became performance art in 1920s Beijing. Master chefs would slice 300 paper-thin pieces in 5 minutes tableside, prioritizing the crispy dorsal skin. Diners wrapped morsels in translucent pancakes with hoisin sauce and scallion brushes. Menus from this era show the dish was often paired with Shaoxing wine for balance. Peking duck's national expansion coincided with railway development. By 1937, over 20 major cities had specialty restaurants adapting the dish to local tastes. Shanghai versions used sweeter sauces, while Sichuan iterations added chili. Wartime food shortages made duck farming a patriotic industry, with 1942 government reports praising its protein efficiency. Zhou Enlai selected Peking duck as the centerpiece for Nixon's 1972 state banquet, strategically showcasing Chinese culinary heritage. Declassified memos reveal chefs trained for months to achieve perfect uniformity in the 200 ducks served. This duck diplomacy became standard for visiting dignitaries, with over 150 heads of state served by 1989. Chinese diaspora chefs introduced Peking duck globally through 3 waves: 1980s Chinatown adaptations, 1990s upscale restaurant interpretations, and 2000s fusion experiments. Michelin Guide records show 62 Peking duck specialty restaurants earned stars by 2010. The dish's theatrical service made it a social media phenomenon, with hashtag Peking duck garnering 2 million+ TikTok views by 2022. Today's chefs reimagine Peking duck through sustainability lenses. Beijing's King's Joy offers a Buddhist vegan version using mushroom-glazed tofu skin. Others utilize sous vide techniques for consistent doneness while preserving traditional textures. Food scientists have identified 86 volatile compounds, creating the signature aroma, now replicated in plant-based alternatives. Since 2015, China has campaigned for UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage status for Peking duck, highlighting its 600-year continuous practice. The application documents 32 protected techniques and regional variations. Annual Peking duck festivals now occur in 15 countries, celebrating how a Ming Dynasty delicacy became a global culinary ambassador while retaining its cultural soul.